Hey guys, it is me, Simone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own glitter paste. Let's get started. So, I thought it'd be fun to show you how to make your own glitter paste. A very affordable price point, super fun, and, well, I mean, you can have some beautiful glitter without it coming off or anything like that. So, I made two colors off camera for you guys to show you. Here's the first one. This is a nice brown copper color. Then I made a blue glitter and I colored it, which I'll talk about that later, and made this blue glitter. It's colored blue, and then there's blue glitter in the background too. So all you're gonna need for this, 3 items, and then the stirring stick. You're gonna need some glitter. This glitter is from Dollar Tree, a container, and your big huge key in making this is gel medium. Now, why are you going to get gel medium? Gel medium right here is a very thick, heavy impasto kind of medium that dries clear. And what that means is it's going to give you texture. So if you put this through a stencil and you clump it through, it's going to stay in that texture you added. Let's see if I can find, I had some, you won't be able to see it, but there's texture, like where the stencils maybe poked it, and there's little hills and mountains that did not flatten. If you use regular Elmer's glue, it's going to flatten. It's not going to give you the same texture. So if I wanted to add thick layers of glitter paste on my projects and wanted to dry like that, I can. If I don't, then you can use glitter glue. So there's a difference. This is going to keep its texture if you use a gel medium. If you don't care about the texture, then you can use glue for this. But if you want the texture, or you want it to be like a paste, which is what they're going to use, you're going to need gel medium. Hope that explains everything to you guys. If you want that texture on your projects, and you want the gel medium. Okay? I'm trying to see if I can find the other piece of paper where I did like purposely apply it really thick, but I don't see it. Alright, let's go down to what you're gonna need. There's really no measurements. The more medium you add and the less glitter you add, the more sparse the glitter is going to be. The more glitter you add, the less matte medium, and the less gel medium you add, etc, etc. So basically what I did, I only have 1 pack of each of the colors. I recommend you getting 2 packs just so you have a better quantity of glitter. That's me. So but what I've been doing is just been using 2 packs that are pretty similar in color and using those. But if you don't want to do that, I recommend just getting 2 packs of these. It's $1 for 6 colors, and you can make 6 beautiful glitter pastes. And of course, we're definitely going to be using these in our beginner crafting series. So if I can open this thing up, I'll show you. I want to show you this. See this? You see how thick it is? It's not really coming off my spoon. It's hard to show you guys. It's not coming off. It's not dripping off. I have it upside down. I have it sideways. Nothing's coming off. That's what you're gonna get the difference. I have to move it for it to come off. That's the difference. You see how thick and creamy this is? I'm scraping on the side and it's not falling directly in the tube. You see? It's just on the side. Because it's just thick. That's what you want. Thick gel medium. This was $16 on Amazon. I'll leave a link below if you're interested. This is a huge jar. So you can make a lot of different things with this. How much am I adding? Oh gosh, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. You really want to play around with this. So you start off with 3 or 4 tablespoons, mix in 1 pack of glitter, see how you put it on some paper, see how you like it, add more glitter or add more medium. It's up to you. So I'm just going to open this little pouch up, pour in my glitter. And then start stirring it. And you can buy glitter in bulk too. Okay, I think I'm gonna add the 2nd pack. So let's do that. Oh gosh, it's not wanting to cooperate with me. And this is more iridescent. So I'm gonna have like a whitish iridescent look going on. Take that out for 2 seconds. I just put it on my table. And add more. Yeah. So I'm mixing this, just seeing how I like it. It's really, what's the word? I can't think of it. You can tell that there's a lot of glitter in here. That's how it looks. So I'm gonna add another scoop. It just looks doesn't look as creamy. So I'm just gonna add another scoop to make it a little more creamy because it looks kind of chunky. It's a lot of glitter. So I think I'm closer to 4 tablespoons of gel medium to 2 little packs of glitter. And then when you want to, what you would do is get some paper. Does it have black paper near me? I had black cardstock near me. Here it is. Put this down. I either do a thin coat or a thick coat, doesn't matter. And then of course I can rinse it off. Now this is going to dry completely clear, and all you're going to have is the glitter. So it looks white now, and it will dry clear later. You just want to make sure you thoroughly mix in the glitter. There's no glitter at the bottom, nothing, and you have your own glitter paste. Very simple. You pay $16 for a big old tube. You can either buy glitter online, like on eBay or something. You get different colors or something. So cute. It's like some rose gold glitter colors, or just go to Dollar Tree if you have a dollar store, and almost all of them, or you can go to Walmart, have glitter. So there you go. Some gel medium, glitter. There you go. Have so much fun. You can use beautiful backgrounds, and you can color it. So if you want yours to be more, instead of being just glitter on paper, you could color it. So what I use is some ink. I use ink on mine. I use Indian ink because I had some, but you can use paint if you want to and color it so it's not the color of the, not just the color of the sequence. You have some more I say depth in there, if that's what you want, if that's what you like. If not, you can just keep it like this. It's up to you. But I just wanted to show you, very simple, super pretty, makes gorgeous cards. And of course, you can make your own glitter paper with this. Get some paper, brush a nice thick layer over it, but even, and there you go. Okay, so I just want to show you this real quick, very simple, super easy. And of course, We're gonna make some beautiful project with this later. I mean, I got the basics right here. I mean, look, all I do now is add a sentiment and maybe an image, and I'm good to go. Very simple. Not $6 a jar, barely $1 and some change. Okay, much love, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Get crafty.